Welcome to the Forages Sprouting Guide. It's easy to grow nutrient-rich, fresh sprouts anywhere with the Forages Sprout Jar Kit. Let's get started. The first step is to measure and soak the seeds. Start by washing your hands and the Sprout Jar Kit. Measure up to 2 tablespoons of small seeds or up to 1 cup of large seeds. Fill the jar with enough water to keep the seeds covered while they soak. Press the lid securely in place, aligning the indicator with the start day or recommended harvest day, and soak according to the seed packet instructions. When the soaking time is complete, drain and shake out any remaining water. Gently rotate the jar horizontally and roll to spread out the sprouts for good airflow, and then flip the jar onto the base with the rinse lid down. The next step is to rinse your sprouts twice daily. Every morning and evening, completely cover the sprouts with room temperature water and gently swirl. Drain the rinse water thoroughly from the jar. Gently shake the jar to remove any excess water and rotate the jar horizontally to spread out the sprouts for good airflow. Place the jar back on the base with the rinse lid facing down to let excess water drain. It's truly astonishing to watch a scoop of seeds turn into a jar full of sprouts in just 5 days. Prepare yourself for the taste and freshness of sprouts grown with the Forages Sprout Jar Kit. Happy sprouting!